In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make smooth transitions in CapCut. We're going to walk through this in a simple, practical way so you can follow along on your own device. Go ahead and open CapCut, and either create a new project or open an existing one where you have at least 2 clips you want to connect. Smooth transitions work best when the clips are related somehow, like part of the same scene or story. So keep that in mind as you choose your footage. Once your clips are on the timeline, zoom in a little so you can clearly see where one clip ends and the next begins. This is where the transition will go. Play that section a couple of times and notice how it currently looks. If it feels too sudden or jumpy, that's exactly what we're about to fix. Tap on the small white box or line between the 2 clips on the timeline. This is the transition point. When you tap it, CapCut will open a transitions panel with different categories, such as basic dissolves, camera movements, and more stylized effects. For a smooth, professional look, start with the more subtle options like a simple fade, cross dissolve, or a gentle zoom, rather than very flashy effects. After you select a transition, adjust its duration. You'll usually see a slider or a number you can change. A typical smooth transition might be around half a second to 1 second, but this really depends on the pacing of your video and your music. Shorter transitions feel snappier. Longer ones feel more relaxed. Try a duration, then play it back and see how it feels. If your clips involve movement, you can make the transition even smoother by matching that movement. For example, if the camera moves to the right in the first clip, you can choose a transition that also moves to the right into the second clip. This creates what's often called a seamless or invisible transition, because it follows the motion the viewer's eyes are already expecting. Play the segment a few times and make small tweaks. Adjust the duration. Try a slightly different effect, and look closely at the very start and end of each clip. If an edge of a clip looks awkward, trim just a tiny bit off either side, so the most natural frames are the ones touching the transition. When you're happy with it, watch your video from a few seconds before the transition to a few seconds after. If it feels natural and doesn't call attention to itself, you've created a smooth transition in CapCut.